Imagine you have a collection of legal documents that you need to break down into sections for analysis or reference. This scenario is a common struggle for many individuals dealing with large volumes of text. The core problem here lies in the challenge of efficiently splitting these documents into manageable segments based on predefined section titles and content structures. Now let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key lies in crafting a robust regex pattern that can accurately identify the section headers and their corresponding text. By utilizing a tailored regex expression, we can effectively split the document into distinct sections while ensuring the integrity of the content within each section. The provided solution involves defining a specific regex pattern that targets the Roman numeral section headers, from I to X, and the conclusion segment. This pattern serves as a guide for parsing the document and isolating the relevant sections. By applying this regex pattern to the legal document string, we can successfully split the text into meaningful segments while eliminating redundant elements such as extra newline characters. This streamline approach enhances the readability and organization of the extracted sections, offering a more coherent output for further analysis or processing. In summary, by implementing the refined regex pattern and extraction logic outlined in the solution, you can effectively streamline the process of segmenting legal documents into structured sections for easier navigation and comprehension. Remember, clarity and efficiency are key when dealing with extensive text data like legal documents. With the right tools and techniques, you can conquer the challenge of parsing and organizing large volumes of textual information. Happy segmenting! And that's a wrap! If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Stay tuned for more content, and happy parsing!